Ever feel like you never have enough hours in the day? Time just goes poof? I got you. This little guy, the Windows key, has saved me a bunch in Windows 11. Come on, I'll show you. All right, my girl wants a new backpack for her birthday, and I've narrowed it down to 2. Check this out, Windows plus Z. I'll tap one, then one again. Phew! Both packs snap just how I want. So much better than tabbing back and forth to compare prices and reviews. That's cool. Ed found coupons for this one. Think we have a winner. So this shortcut I use the most, Windows Shift S. I don't know how I survived before snipping, but it probably wasn't pretty. Just click and drag snips for work, emails, inspiration, and copy and paste wherever I want. I do 5, maybe 20 snips a day. Seriously. And if I lose track of one or anything else I copied, Windows plus V. Yep, right there in clipboard history. Okay, do y'all have parents like mine? Always asking stuff like, why can't I print? Where'd the grandkids picture go? I promise you, save headaches with this one. Windows Control Q. Quick Assist, I love you. It gives me a code, I shared with Dad. It's like my mouse just teleported to his computer. So much easier to show him the steps than try to fix it over the phone. One more thing. Should be good to go now, Dad. Love ya. All right, last one. When the couch is calling, this one's perfect. Windows plus K. Boom and boom. So easy. That show I started last night on my laptop jumps right to my TV. It's pretty cool to do with photos, too. Aw, they're so cute. Okay, sometimes crazy, always cute. Anyway, that's it. Hope my little tips help save you some time. I know I need it, so I can focus a little bit on me.